One of the things I've noticed about nature is that nature is not very good at pointing you to safety. There's nothing in nature that says, this is the way you want to go. This is a safe route. There's no signs pointing you anywhere, except for one exception. When we consider creation, when we consider nature, what we discover from the scripture is that the creation points us to God. That when we consider the heavens, the celestial bodies, the trees, the creation around us, it is a big fat sign pointing to a creator.